Hello Sachem Library friends, this is Miss Christine from the Children's Department. Today, for our weather week, I am going to be creating a snowstorm in a jar to represent our winter months. So what you are going to get from us if you pick up our library kit from the library, you are going to be getting a jar here with a top. We're going to be giving you a little thing here of glitter. We're going to be giving you some white paint and a package of Alka-Seltzer. What you need to supply from home is a 1/4 cup of water and some baby oil. This is 6.5 ounces of baby oil. This is a pretty good size because we're going to use a good amount of it for this experiment, okay? You can get it at the dollar store or just at the regular grocery store. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our jar and take our baby oil, all right? And we are going to pour it into the jar. I would say you're going to end up putting about half of the jar, filling about half of the jar with the baby oil. So here we go. Gonna end up being just about all of it, okay? Then the next thing we're going to do is set that aside, and we're gonna take our water and the white paint that you got from us. Grab a spoon, I would suggest a disposable spoon, and put a nice big dollop of white paint in there, okay? And then you're gonna mix it up. You want the water to become white, so you're gonna mix it up really, really well. All right, now, the reason that the paint mixes with the water so well is that the water and the paint are both water-based. It's tempera, it's water-based paint, and so it mixes really well with the water. When you put the water in with the oil and water doesn't mix, so that's gonna have a big part in our experiment. So that looks pretty good. And once you're done with that, you're gonna pour that right into your jar. Like I was saying, you can see that the oil and the water separates and it doesn't mix, and that's what makes this experiment so much fun. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take the glitter that we gave you and you're just gonna put that right in on the top, just to give it a little shine when you have your snowstorm. And lastly, we gave you Alka-Seltzer, and you're gonna grab one. You can take half a tablet, maybe more, and you're just gonna put it right in, and let's see what happens. Give it a second, it's gonna start to bubble. Just gonna swish it around a little bit, and there we go, it's gonna start to snow. So the reason that it does this is that the Alka-Seltzer has sodium bicarbonate in it, which is basically baking soda, and citric acid as well. So it makes the water rise to the top, but since the water is heavy, then it goes back down to the bottom, and it makes it snow. So the best part about this experiment is that once it's done bubbling up, you just let the whole thing settle, and you can put another Alka-Seltzer in, and you can watch it all over again. So I hope you guys had fun making this little experiment. You could always do some maybe crafts on the outside, maybe draw some trees so it looks like it's snowing in the trees, or you can even color your paint and make it blue or purple or anything you want. We hope to see you soon, and thank you so much for watching today. Have a great day.